Now we are moving to the third part of the lecture, organic compound containing nitrogen. We will be discussing about the chemical properties of amine. First is reaction with acids. We can see that 1 degree amine react with HCl to form ethyl ammonium chloride. Similarly, diethylamine forms diethyl ammonium sulfate. Same way triethylamine react with HCl forming triethyl ammonium chloride. Aniline which react with HCl and forms anilinium chloride. So the amine salts are ionic compound. They are non-volatile solids and are soluble in water but insoluble in non-polar solvents. Next is the reaction with metal ions. Like ammonia, amines coordinate with transition metal ions as Ag plus Cu plus 2 to form soluble coordination compounds. Amines act as ligands and coordinate to the metal ion. So the reaction behind is methylamine reacting with AgCl to give a soluble compound. Similarly, copper ions also react to form deep blue color complex. Next is the alkylation process. All the three types of aliphatic amine 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines undergo alkylation process when treated with alkyl halide. When an aliphatic amine heated with alkyl halide, the hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen atom in the amine get replaced. Now let us see how does the reaction take place. See, this is the 1 degree amine and 1 degree amine is undergoing alkylation process. It is reacting with the alkyl halide, that is RX, and formation of 2 degree amine which on further forms 3 degree and then quaternary salt. So example can be taken, ethyl amine can be converted to quaternary salt. So this is step 1, step 2 and this is step 3. So within these 3 steps 1 degree amine has been converted to quaternary salt. The reaction of amine with a methyl halide halomethane leading to the formation of quaternary salts. This process is known as exhaustive methylation. Methylamine further react with CH3Cl and formation of dimethylamine, trimethyl and tetramethyl. Same way aromatic amine can also undergo the exhaustive methylation process. Aniline react with CH3I, formation of 2 degree amine, then 3 degree and then formation of quaternary salt. So this is the exhaustive methylation process. Hofmann elimination reaction. In this, the quaternary salt obtained by exhaustive methylation of an amine is treated with moist silver oxide. The reagent which is taken is moist silver oxide, that is Hofmann elimination reaction. At the end there will be formation of propene and trimethyl amine. Next is the reaction with acid chloride and acid anhydride. This process is known as acylation process. 1 degree and 2 degree amine undergo acylation. 3 degree do not undergo acylation because they do not contain any replaceable hydrogen. So this is the 1 degree amine which is undergoing reaction with acid chloride, formation of an addition product and then alkyl alkanamide, then alkyl alkanamide. So this is the reaction behind. After this, acid anhydride react with 2-degree amine, further ethanoyl chloride, and then ethanamine react with later formation of ethanoic anhydride and ethanamine reaction. So we have studied the Hofmann bromamide reaction. Aromatic amine also undergo acylation process. This is the reaction of aniline which is undergoing acylation process. Aniline also reacting with acetic anhydride formation of acetanilide. Reaction with benzoyl chloride, it is known as benzoylation process. Benzoyl chloride is reacting with ethyl amine formation of N-ethyl benzenamide. It's a very important reaction, and it is also a name reaction which is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. This is Schotten-Baumann reaction. So in the next lecture we will be discussing about the reaction with aldehyde and ketones. Thank you.